Hey kids, have you ever wondered how a tiny seed turns into a huge tree? Well, grab your explorer hats because today we're going on an adventure to discover the magic of how plants grow. Let's start with a little seed. Inside every seed is a tiny plant waiting to burst out, but it needs a few things to help it grow. First, it needs soil. Not just any dirt though. Soil is special because it has all the nutrients our tiny plant needs. Next, our seed needs water. When it rains or when we water our garden, the seed soaks up water like a little sponge. This wakes up the baby plant inside, which is called a seedling. Can you say seedling? That's right. Now here comes the magical part. Sunlight. Plants need light to do something super cool called photosynthesis. Let's break it down. Photo means light, and synthesis means putting together. Plants use sunlight to put together water and air to make their food. This food helps them grow bigger and stronger. As our seedling starts to grow, it pushes up through the soil. First, you might see a tiny sprout. That's the baby plant stretching up towards the sun, saying hello to the world. As it gets more sunlight, water and nutrients from the soil, it grows bigger and bigger. It grows leaves, which catch even more sunlight. The more leaves it has, the more food it can make. And guess what? Eventually, our little seedling can grow into a big mighty tree. It can live for years and years, grow fruits or flowers, and provide shade and fresh air for us and the animals. Isn't it amazing how from a tiny seed, with just soil, water and sunlight, we get a mighty tree? Nature is full of wonders, and now you know one of its coolest tricks. So next time you plant a seed, remember you're starting a little life, helping it grow, and watching the magic of nature unfold right before your eyes. Thanks for joining me on this green adventure, and keep exploring, my young friends. Until next time.